Welcome to the Sprinkles of Spirit podcast. I'm Lisa, and I am your host. If you are ready to embody self-love in your mind, body, and spirit at every age, join me here in this space every Thursday. Hi, everyone. I am testing out some new equipment. What do you think? Happy Thursday. I think it's been a few weeks. The universe once again opened up some time for me to hop on and give you a little update on what's been going on. I've got some new equipment. I have some new passions. I want to invite you to a community I am building. But first, as always, let's get grounded. Let's breathe together. One cycle, grounding us in the here and now so you can receive a message for your highest good. So wherever you are, put down all the things. And if you can, softly close the eyes. Relax your shoulders and soften the jaw. And take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up your belly, the ribs, your shoulders, your chest. Easy exhale out of your mouth. And then breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your nose. As we're fully present. And then open your eyes. Thank you. That always works for me. So, how are you guys doing post the new moon in Taurus? Let me talk a little bit about a little astrology. I am an astrology junkie. My regular listeners, you know. And this new moon was in Taurus, which is a fixed earth sign, ruled by the planet Venus, which is the planet of beauty, of love, of flourishing, of softening. It's our feminine goddess nature. So, and Taurus is, think of foundational, our security, our sense of security, our sense of what we're building, feeling very goal-oriented. And the new moon is our blank plate in front of us, our cosmic clean slate. So it was a very powerful one. And take note of how you felt, April 27th, because I know I felt several things kind of came into alignment for me. I began doing my live sessions on Insight Timer, which I want to talk about. I did that. I had an opportunity to check out a new space for a monthly class that I'm definitely manifesting. So a lot of things just felt fully aligned, and really on a soul level, and things, it's like you've kind of upgraded to the next version of you. That vision became crystal clear. That is how I felt, and bringing in, of course, abundance, security, safety, right? Having a strong foundation and what that looks like for you, was really the vision, what you're placing on your plate, and I felt the energy a lot. Just a lot of interesting things happen, over that time. And you can still be feeling that several days, even a week after the new moon. So don't fret, if you didn't have time to kind of sit and breathe and do a meditation, think about your goals, think about your vision. There's always time. I mean, it's never a right or wrong time. It's when it's resonating, with you. But yes, Mother Nature provides us this opportunity monthly, and I always tune into it. I get my journal out and write a few things down. Maybe you pick an angel card, oracle cards, tarot cards. Grab some messages from the universe that way, or whatever speaks to you. It was really cool. So I have been really shifting gears, and pouring my heart into my space on Insight Timer. And a few things I've shifted for those of you who follow me along on Instagram. I went from Lisayogaangel to Flourish with Lisa. And this has been an idea of mine for a while, as I started a new decade, as I got married, I literally feel renewed. I literally feel like I am on a new timeline, literally. And it just felt right. I kept having this idea. I'm like, Lisayogaangel, of course. I mean, that is my business name. That's not going to change. But, as far as how I want to show up in the world, it felt limiting in a sense that I want to show up and empower women to really connect with self-love and faith. And the word yoga can be a little bit limited. And of course, my teachings are through the art of yoga and meditation, but also personal development and personal growth tools that I have gained and that I have used, I am now sharing. And I feel in this new decade, like I'm just now beginning to flourish, and it's like, wow, I just turned 50 and it's like, I'm feeling like it's just a beginning. And so I really do want to show up for women, not just in my age group, but of course, 20s, 30s, 40s, all age groups, to thrive at every age through self-love and faith. And yes, I have the tools of yoga and meditation to offer, but I also have other rituals that I do and practices and, really helpful insights, and I know I can help raise your vibration, shift your energy, let go of limiting beliefs. And I wanted it to be Flourish with Lisa because, yes, I am here and I'm showing up and I'm guided to share and to help you flourish at every age, wherever you are in life, because I am living proof that confidence is a muscle that we can strengthen. And I'm living proof that it's never too late to start over and to have a new beginning. And it's never too late to be in alignment with all that is right for you in every area of your life, mentally, physically, emotionally, energetically, spiritually. And what happens when you get into alignment with all that supports your highest good is you begin to walk through life like a magnet and you draw to you the opportunities meant for your highest good. You draw to you relationships that are meant for your highest good, new beginnings, new experiences. I'm walking, living, breathing proof. And Flourish with Lisa kind of just really totally fully embodies that. And so it's Flourish with Lisa now on Instagram. And I am utilizing the platform Insight Timer, which is an app for meditation, but not only meditation. There are teachers on the platform who are able to share our offerings with you live. We can have live sessions, so I can teach yoga live, meditations live, and I can give what I call Dharma talks live. And so I've been beginning to do that, and the community there is growing, and it's so special and it's so meaningful. And I have the sweetest community, and it's a heartfelt form of service for me. So I hope when you show up there with me, you are receiving what I am guided to share from the purest place in my heart. I remember when I took yoga teacher training, we learn what seva is, and it's selfless service. And everything that I share, showing up as a guide, as a teacher, as a spiritual coach, essentially, is in service because I'm answering the call that I have, and there's nothing more fulfilling than that, than knowing. And I know I am, because I received the sweetest reviews, the sweetest comments. Nothing is more fulfilling than that, than knowing I can help someone have a better day, or someone have a reframe on something, or help someone shift and let go of a limiting belief that's been holding them back, maybe even for years. Or knowing I'm showing up for someone who needs to connect with a sense of peace that's inside of them that they've lost because they're going through something really difficult. There's nothing more fulfilling than that for me. And I will always show up in the way I'm guided to show up. And this is the avenue lately that I'm guided to be, and it's growing. And so I wanted to offer, oops, that's my phone. I'm so sorry. Forgot to turn it on silent. I wanted to invite you to join me there in that space. And for you, my Sprinkles of Spirit listeners, this space is not changing. It's still going to be a sprinkle of spirit, that I offer when I'm guided to share and show up. And for my tribe here, my regular listeners, I'm just so grateful that you have stayed with me and you're watching my growth and evolution and my twists and turns, and just going along with it as I update, everything. I'm really grateful for you. So, and I'd love to hear from you. So please be sure to follow the show, leave a review so I know, you still want me to show up. It's really cool to see people listen from all over the world. I absolutely am blown away by that. And I am so grateful for you. And we'd be so grateful if you left a review. It lets people know who are interested, who are on the path of self-love, of self-development, of personal growth. It helps them find us. So it's just my little ask there for you. So yeah, that's everything that's going on. And I wanted to, keep you in the loop and really invite you to join me for these live talks. It's Flourish with Lisa on Insight Timer. And I will put a link in this show notes for you. I have a live, this Thursday at 8, and I believe the following at 7:30. I'm playing around with the time slots, to see what works for everyone. I did a few on Saturdays at 10:30, very successful. I was so thrilled with how many people showed up on a Saturday morning, to hear something, for their highest good. So check it out. Join me there. Say hi. Reach out on Instagram. Stay connected. for daily inspiration. So I have my Oprah, The Wisdom of Sundays, life-changing insights from Super Soul Conversations. Ooh, insights. Okay, that was, that's a little nod from the universe to me. You get these little nods that you're on the right path. That just hit me when I read it. So I'm just going to kind of ask our angels. Let me take a breath here. Just asking for a message from this book that we all need to hear. Okay. All right. And this is from Iyanla Vanzant. She's a teacher and author. And I apologize if I said her name wrong. Okay, so here's your message. Your vision is for you. And there will be many times when other people can't see your vision. That's all right, because if God gave you the vision, God will give you the provision. God is not going to bring your provision through your sister's vision. It's going to come to you, for you, through you, as soon as you eliminate the deficiencies. Oh my, I love that. If God gave you the vision, God will give you the provision, meaning it will be set up for you, the right time, the right place, the right people, the right path, the right opening, out of no way, a way. So don't give up on what you're working on what you're building, on what you're growing, on your visions, on your dreams, on your goals. This is our message. Your vision is for you. And yes, we will all have people around us. They don't see it. They want to discourage. They don't want to encourage. But stay true, because it's going to come to you, for you, through you, as we eliminate the deficiencies. So letting go, right, of the people who may be around you, bringing you down, take note of that. Stay true to your vision. I love that message for this week. That's awesome. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful that you tuned in, and I can't wait to see you live on Insight Timer soon. Meet me there. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I try to share daily inspiration for everyone. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I just figured, you know what? If I'm going to continue showing up on that platform, I'm really going to show up authentically and share with you what lights me up, what I'm passionate about, what's going on, what helps me in my mind and my body and my spirit, because I love sharing, and I'm so happy to be able to have a space where you can share and help other people through that way. It can be used for good. It can be used for bad, right? I'm choosing the good. So choose good. Choose good. Be well. Peace, peace, peace. Be with you. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.